actually don't have money for dinner, but that's not the main issue. The real problem is that I forgot to watch the DIY anime to enjoy the night.
And when I went back to watch episode 3, I slowly started feeling hungry. But strangely, my concentration grew sharper, and I noticed something unique in the opening scene.
In this opening scene, all the motion focus you see starts with more drone objects. Then the girl holding her skirt is on the left. There are more of them too. Even Surifu's friend is on the left, and so is Surifu's bike. Well, Surifu doesn't count.
As my stomach growled louder, I grabbed some leftover chips from lunch to munch on. But when I played the next scene, it became clear that our focus was being forced to the left side repeatedly.
If you look here, here, and even here, this whole composition is a pure genius.
So this is not about falling asleep during a DIY anime. It's about decoding why the composition keeps forcing your focus to the left side of the frame. They say that if the audience's focus is pushed to one side multiple times, it keeps their eyes from getting confused.
This makes it way easier to position your target character as the focal point in the frame, like when Surifu sits on the left in a triangular composition in this scene. Or when Jobko cries outside the window, so the camera positions all the characters to face left where the window is.
It turns out, Cleveland University's research shows that left and right positions in a frame actually has different meanings. So I got up from my bed and stepped out for a moment, just to see the flower in front of me. For a second, I felt like some nobleman admiring his private castle.
Ohayo, Mary!
The research showed something interesting. When people saw characters on the left side of the frame, they felt something negative. But when those same characters were on the right side, another people felt positive instead.
Well, this positioning carries a deeper symbolic meaning. The left side of the frame represents vulnerability and sinister elements, while the right side positioning conveys heroism and feeling safety.
So if we back to this scene, when Surifu offers a choice to Jobko while she's crying, you can clearly see the options: the hammer on the left side or the handkerchief on the right side.
So, in this anime, character positioning isn't just about where the director puts them. It's about to make viewers wonder why they're placed that way.
But I'm still hungry to find out the left-right composition in this episode. So I eat the potato chips I just bought while watching again more carefully. And here is something interesting for you to notice too.
As you can see, Surifu is positioned on the left side because in this scene, she's being taught by her senior. Surifu's lack of woodworking skills makes her vulnerable here. But you'll also notice the center focus remains until the climax, by showing that continuity makes this anime absolutely mind-blowing.
This time, I want to compare the scene you just watched. When Surifu appears weak, she's positioned exactly on the left side of the frame. But in her imagination, where she destroys the earth, this composition places her at the right and top of the frame, while her senior stays at the bottom left. This comparison clearly proves how precisely this anime uses right and left framing to follow the story's development.
はい、これでよし。
But the frame positioning here also shows a positive sense and feeling of safety for both Surufu and Jobko, matching the previous scene where they both fell down.
If you look here, it's clear that in the first one, all three are positioned on the right side of the frame. But in the next scene, leaving the left side empty wouldn't look good. So the health teacher is pushed close to the center to maintain their composition.
Good job! Good job!
So if you want to place a villain or a hero, then this right and left composition will give a sense that matches your character. For example, being angry while seeking the truth because the club was mocked. The perspective in this story is a powerful club president, so the right side position makes more sense. Or having a lower and weaker position as someone who was wrong for mocking the club. So when you are using this composition, this right and left composition will enter the viewer's subconscious and make them align with what they're watching. Left and right, or vulnerable and resilient. Although this composition is still being tested and studied to this day, you can compare it yourself with shows rich in cinematography to find more references related to this.
お兄ちゃんみたい。